Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Chef Gayan. Today I'm going to teach you how to make sticky date cake. Preheat your oven to 160 Celsius. We need 200 grams dates, water 300 milliliter, baking soda 2 gram, 250 grams caster sugar, 250 grams soft butter, 20 grams vanilla essence, 5 number of eggs, 5 grams baking powder, 250 grams all-purpose flour. First, dates, water and baking soda put in a pan. Keep boil for 10 minutes, and let sit for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, beat butter and sugar at medium speed with an electric mixer until light and fluffy. Stir in vanilla into egg, and mix well. Add eggs into mixture one at a time, beating just until blended after each addition. Sift together flour and baking powder, add to butter mixture alternately with half and half, and beat at low speed until well mixed. Stir in date into mixture, and beat at low speed just until blended. Pour into a greased and floured tray or cake baking bowl. Bake at 160 Celsius for 1 hour and 10 minutes, or until a long wooden pick inserted in center of cake comes out clean. If you took something from this video, please like, comments, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video, and we will meet soon with next video.